A $150 million empire, a fleet of luxury cars worth millions, and a $37 million mansion on Star Island. This is the life of Rick Ross, the rap mogul turned business titan. From mega mansions to high-profile investments, Rick Ross is living a life few can imagine. Let's dive into the extraordinary world of one of the richest and most influential figures in hip-hop and business. Born William Leonard Roberts II in the heart of Carol City, Florida, Rick Ross faced the challenges of growing up in a tough neighborhood where dreams seemed distant. He started his professional life as a correctional officer, a role that was far from the glitz and glamour of the life he would eventually lead. However, Ross's real passion lay in music, and he took the rap world by storm under the moniker Teflon Da Don, later changing it to Rick Ross. The turning point in his career came in 2006 when he dropped his breakthrough single Hustlin. The track's instant success ignited a bidding war among record labels, eventually leading to a multimillion-dollar deal with Jay-Z's powerhouse Def Jam Records. With his debut album, Port of Miami, skyrocketing to the top of the charts, Ross was firmly cemented as one of hip-hop's most powerful figures, setting the stage for his future wealth and influence. Rick Ross's real estate investments are some of his most iconic and lucrative moves. One of his most prized possessions is the Promised Land, a sprawling 235-acre estate located just outside Atlanta. Previously owned by boxing legend Evander Holyfield, this mansion is not just a home, it's a monumental asset. With over 100 rooms, private guest houses, a massive pool, and acres of land, it's Georgia's largest residential property. Ross frequently hosts events here, turning his home into a source of income while adding to his growing portfolio of luxury properties. In addition to the Promised Land, Ross expanded his real estate empire by acquiring a $37 million mansion on Star Island in Miami, which is situated in one of the world's most exclusive neighborhoods. He also added a mansion in Atlanta from fellow rapper Meek Mill, solidifying his knack for acquiring properties that increase in value over time. Rick Ross's car collection is a reflection of his journey from humble beginnings to ultimate success. His garage is filled with the finest luxury vehicles, including multiple Rolls-Royces, Bentleys, and Lamborghinis, each car representing different milestones in his career. These cars are more than just symbols of wealth. They embody the transformation he's undergone and the power he now wields in both the music and business worlds. His fleet is a visible testament to the opulent lifestyle he's curated over the years, and they continue to resonate with his fans and supporters. While Rick Ross is best known for his rap career, he has proven himself to be a savvy businessman, making strategic moves to diversify his wealth. In 2009, Ross launched Maybach Music Group (MMG), a record label that has signed some of the biggest names in hip-hop, including Meek Mill, Whale, and Omarion. MMG's success helped Ross expand beyond music, turning him into a full-fledged mogul. Additionally, Ross has invested in the restaurant industry, owning nearly 30 Wingstop franchises across the country, which generate an estimated $7 million annually. This move further solidified his status as a businessman with an eye for long-term, consistent income. His ventures showcase not only his understanding of the music industry, but his talent for identifying profitable business opportunities outside of it. In addition to his real estate and business ventures, Rick Ross's other assets reflect his elite status. He owns a 2012 Gulfstream G550 private jet, valued at around $20 million. Named Maybach Air, this jet allows Ross the luxury of convenience while enhancing his image as a top-tier mogul. Beyond aviation, Ross has lucrative endorsement deals with brands like Luc Belaire and Reebok, leveraging his influential brand to earn significant income. These partnerships allow him to capitalize on his public persona, further diversifying his portfolio and boosting his net worth. Rick Ross's story is a remarkable tale of transformation. From a correctional officer in Carol City to one of the wealthiest and most influential figures in the music and business industries, his journey exemplifies what is possible with vision, ambition, and smart investments. Through his real estate portfolio, successful ventures like Maybach Music Group, his Wingstop franchises, and his endorsements, Ross has built an empire that continues to grow. His ability to turn his passion into power has made him a true mogul, leaving behind a legacy that transcends music. Thank you for joining us in uncovering the inspiring rise of Rick Ross. His story is proof that with the right mindset and a little hustle, anyone can turn their dreams into an empire. If you're inspired by Ross's journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the lives of today's business icons. See you in the next video.
B.I.G. or give a fuck if you Chi Ali. You got it and you keep it tucked if you be by me. Do the job.